Cosa di deg? Ja, cosa di deg? Kom igjen. Kom igjen. Kom igjen, kom igjen, kom igjen, kom igjen. Lepp, 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 lepp. Ja, kom igjen. Kom igjen, lepp. Kom igjen. Ja, kom igjen, kom igjen, kom igjen, kom igjen, kom igjen. Ah. Friday morning. The sun is coming up. It's a little bit cloudy today. Look. We got the duck race. Quack, quack. You see there. Shout out to quiz hunters, quiz family. Mats Katagiri vlog. Miles away. Papa Shipsan. Energetic. Pomeranian ship. It's right before 8 o'clock. I think it's good boy. My fluffy boy. Traffic is right behind those trees. You see the lights. There is the highway. So, oh, så fint. Oh, he's peeing. But it's good. It's like a ghost in the sky. We got one here too. There, you see? Oh. Here, my eye, snoot, mouth, and legs. He's lying there. Just because I'm... Oh, this is a smell again. I told you about the smell of firewood in the fireplace. I love it. Are you hiding? Are you blending in? Where is Hendo? There you are. Hi, boy. He's looking for Noldus. He wants to play with Noldus. Come on, let's go home. No, Noldus is not there. Come. Come. No. Let's go home. Noldus is not there, Hendo. Come on. Come on. Let's go home. Ay. My Noldus is not home. Or he's asleep. Nej, kom här. You little cool boy. Come. He's not there. Come on. Today we are going to try some fetch with chicken, and this plate is from Papa and Mama Sheepson and beautiful twin brother Sheep. We got 4 of them, and Hendo really likes to eat chicken, right? Oh, you're ready, huh? I can't do it with 2 hands, no, 1 hand. So you need to go down. Ned. 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 Nei, gå ned. Kom igjen. Sånn. Nei. Hendo, gå ned. Bli. Nei. Nei, gå ned. Bli. 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 Bæ. Are you ready? 1, 2. Nei. Oi, det var bom. My mistake. We need to catch one. No, he's just backing off. Are you ready? Are you ready? Å, bakover. You're not good at this. 1, 2. See? He's just 1, 2. So he's just moving away from the chicken. Almost. Let's try again. Look, he's just waiting. Are you ready? Nei, Hendo. Ja, nesten. Bra. No. We are so stupid, huh? Are you ready? Å! Å, bra! Nei, tok vi den? Få se. Å, nesten. Nei. Are you ready? Kom, mamma. Are you ready? Å, nesten. Nei, Hendo. Why can't you do a fetch? Jorge wants you to do a fetch. Huh? Oh. Thank you, Papa Sheepsan and Mama Sheepsan and twin brother Sheep. Shout out. Oh. This is a big one. Yeah? Ne. Pang. 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 That is begging, it's not pang. Okay, you fight hard for that one. Look, you just stand there and move away. Go. It was cold outside. No, you just stand and wait. Stand up. Come on. You can do other things than that. Nei. Nei. Don't touch. Bra, flink gutt. Sit. Have you forgotten all? Sit. Bli. 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 Vänta. Hendo, sit. Bli. 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 Ah. 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 Bra, flink gutt. What? It's on empty. Oh, it's cold. Brr. You can't find it? You need to find it. I'm not going to help you. Bakover. Danse. Kom. Kom. Bra. Så flink. Bra. Å, så flink. Du kan hvis du vil. Hæ? Ja, du er flink ut hvis du vil. Du. Dekk. Dekk. Gjemme seg. No, that is... Gjemme seg. Hendo, var det helt... Gjemme seg. En gang til. Og en gang til. Bra, flink ut. En gang til. Hva gjør dere? Å, så flink. Bra. Å, du har flink. Bli. Ja, så flink. Skal du si tusen takk? Say thank you to Shipsan. Yeah, good boy. Hei, mamma Ship, få høre. Ja, thank you, mamma Ship. Å, så fin. Bra. Still something left. Also, you have to say thank you to Papa Ship. Oh, så fin. Thank you. Oh, så flink. And a little woof. Yeah. You ready? Now it's Shipsan. Now it's your twin brother, Pumbesti twin brother Shipsan. Yes. Are you ready? Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Thank you, see. Thank you. Yes. And can you say pom hugs? Hey, pom hugs. Pom hugs. Hendo. Få høre. Få høre. Oh, du er så flink. I let him get it anyway. Yeah, he can take it. We love these plates. It's so cool. It's very light and it doesn't break. All my family loves it too. It's so cool. Oh, I forgot my fingers there. I'm sorry, I'm so cold. Are you ready, Hendo? Can we go? Oh, he's going to check if he has taken it all. I don't know if he was that. I think it's a little bit there. Let's see if that is chicken. I think so. And he's going to find it. There is chicken. Isn't it? No. Yes, that was chicken. Hey. Søk. Du står på det jo. You're standing on it. There. You see? That is chicken. No, you went past it. Hendo, find it. Search. Not there. Come on, Hendo. I can't say that you are a hunter. Suck. But he's trying. We can say that. You're trying, but it's still here. You see? Chicken. Oh, I'm freezing outside. Yeah? Do you find it? You can still smell it. Come on, suck. No, you're standing on it. Now it's behind you. Hi. Almost. Bakover. Der. Hi. Se. It's burning up soon. Burning. No. Hendo. Have you broken your nose? Your little snoot? Come on, Hendo. It's there. Hi, check. There you go. There you go. You did it. High five. Boop. Hi. Oh, it's cold. Hi. Come. Hi. Love. Good boy. Thank you. We love you.